Hi everybody, I'm Jessalyn and this is a picture of something that is meaningful to me. This is my cat. Her name is Mimi. I love this picture. I know it says do it on a separate spreadsheet, but I just kind of put it on a different um, sheet here. So this is my simple data set that I made. So this is my made up health goals for the year with made up times that I exercised. Honestly, this is probably a lot better than what I have done. Um, but this is what I made, and then this is the line graph. So the line chart here, I will move to another sheet. So to do that, you click on the line graph and you right click and you go to move chart onto a new sheet, and it's going to put it in between the meaningful Mimi sheet and the simple data set. So now it has its own sheet here, and I'm just going to change this to line chart. I just pressed enter. All right, so that's how you move it. And then I will demonstrate how to change the chart by removing or adding some data. So I'm going to show this here. So this kind of shows the days of the month and then like how many days are in each month. And then this shows like how many days I exercised. So this here shows on August. In August, I exercised 20 times. Um, so I will change that so we can see that change. So I'll go back into my simple data set and I will change August to, we'll just say 30. That changes the average, the minimum, and maximum here. So you'll see 30 is now the maximum. It changes the average. I will go back to the line chart and you'll see that it changes to 30. And I will also edit the chart style. So I like to do it this way. And I like the one that's like dark. This one here. I think that looks really cool. So I like that style. We'll go with that. And then I also would like to edit, and I think this way is pretty cool. If I take out the days in each month, you still kind of get the same information that you need. So it still shows, in each month how much I exercised. So, 12 times in January, and over here we changed it to 30 times in August. The days in each month aren't really relevant. So this is kind of perfect to take that out and just leave it this way. So this is what I'd end up doing here. Just kind of leaving it like this. And we'll go back to the data set. So just by changing, we'll change another thing here. We'll make the minimum, we'll have to change just 1 to 5. That'll change the average and it changes the minimum. And then we can go back to our line chart and see that I changed November to 5 times. Okay. And then if you are clicked out of the chart, all the options kind of go away. You have to select the chart to be able to edit this. So let's make health goals kind of match the orange. And Will that look okay? Yeah. All right. Thank you for watching.